Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today we are here in Crescent, Pennsylvania at the Old State Correctional Institution. And today we're going to be exploring the abandoned prison maintenance building. This was built in the 1940s, so I do believe with that timeline it would have been part of the mental health hospital originally. Yes, I do believe that is correct. I could be wrong. It could have been part of the sanatorium originally, but I believe it would have been the mental health hospital. Now, last time I came here, I remember this building being very weird because it doesn't seem like it was originally meant as a maintenance building, but was later converted. So first of all, as you can see, we are entering through kind of like an added-on section, and this most likely would have been the original building entrance. Now, as we come in, we have two options. We enter in between, so we can either go up or down. We're going to start with the basement or first floor and then head up. I will say that I do like how this building looks on the inside because it still has kind of, you know, the look it probably had when it was built, if that makes any sense to anyone other than me. Ooh, little crawl space area down there. I'm sure that is maintenance area and probably nothing worth checking out. We do have access to the tunnels, so that is interesting. Well, it makes sense. Let's go ahead and walk into the actual building part. So, you can see, honestly, still lots of the stuff from back before it was the State Correctional Institution. The old radiators, the window glass there. All of this, you know, looks very much pre-prison. Now you will see here that they have where they would have kept tools and stuff, and of course they have the diagrams to make sure that everything gets placed back. So, I remember that last time I was here, I did really want this desk. I still do, or at least one similar to it. Has very 1950s vibes to it. Reminds me a lot of stuff you'd see in Fallout, which is one of my favorite games. So, here is one of the weirder things that I remember about this place, and that is the elevator that was turned into like offices slash storage areas. So we are actually in the former elevator shaft right now, and they just kind of added some floors in. You can see where this would have been the paint room apparently, but you can see where the elevator would have been. You know, there's the call button and, you know, the key to switch it on or off. Right next door we have the former bathroom, which is pretty cool. Nice design. That's pretty much the, you know, thing about this building is because it was built in the 40s, even though it was just used as a maintenance building in the end, it has some very nice designs in it still. Like, look at these floor tiles. Now, it would be interesting if I knew what this was back before, you know, the prison came in, because I can't imagine it was a maintenance building back then as well. So, it's kind of funny. The tiles are up in this room, but they're all stacked right here, just waiting to be placed down again. So, this looks like it was some type of workshop. You can see we do have a clear TV in here. Prisons do have a lot of clear electronics. I had, sorry for the noise, I had it explained to me once, but I don't remember the exact reasoning. Looks like there used to be a door here that was covered up. Also looks like there was a door here that was covered up. So, ooh, we'll go in there in a second. I do remember last time, I don't think we could get into this room, but now it's wide open. So, wow, this is pretty. This is pretty. I mean, I love that desk, obviously, because it's pretty much identical to the other one. But look at the detail here on the radiator cover. You can see we've got shower parts, chrome angle stops, urinal brackets, traps, faucet parts. All of these cabinets just are really beautiful. This would be a really beautiful kitchen, which I am kind of thinking was most likely its original purpose. Then we have the floor in here. Some sort of storage slash pantry area. Then off to the side here, this just kind of looks like a general workshop room, I would say. Oh, there's another room here off to the side. Wow, so this is the big storage area. Here's all the tool cages. Wow. So that's really cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at the upper floor here. Now last time we were here, I remember, if I remember correctly I should say, there was kind of like a library up here, but we couldn't get into it. So hopefully since we could get into that kitchen area this time, we'll be able to get into the library area. So here we are up on the second floor. And immediately got some office slash storage space. Connects over to that room, but we'll go over that way in a second. More office areas. More of these desks. Storage. So, test and talk. I'm not sure what that would be. The only thing I can think of is maybe it was a walkie-talkie. I don't know why they wouldn't just put walkie-talkie. And then CCTV test set, but that one is very crudely put on there. Unicam Elite, levels, drill handles, lots of stuff like that. So as we continue to walk down this hallway, you can see we've got benches on each side. Here is the other half of offices that we saw when we first came in. We have a sink here. Caged tables. Ooh. I just accidentally kicked something up. This is interesting. I wonder what would have been stored under here. This is an unauthorized area. This is locked. I do believe, based on the position, this would have been the upper office that formerly was the elevator shaft. Water fountain was probably there. That's pretty obvious. The bathroom. Still has some soap in it. Then that looks like more. Oh, that's the inmate bathroom. And then what is this? This is the safety room. You can see they had a lockout station there. And then yes, here is the room I was talking about. So last time we came here, this was filled with like books and stuff. It does seem like there's still some. But it's all okay. It's all like machine shop books, which makes sense. Here's from the 2007 construction of new water storage tower. Here is the certificate of boiler or pressure vessel operation from 2004. Oh, this one's from 2000. So yeah, it seems like the books here are mainly different maintenance books or certificates saying that they're allowed to operate certain things in here. So you can see everything all over the place. Looks like another bathroom back there. And then an office in here. More of the traditional wooden desk in here. I mean, it's still pretty cool, but I prefer the more retro looking one. And then even more office back here. So this has been the abandoned maintenance building here at SCI Crescent. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Thanks for watching.